back to another video. Today we got the buy one get one free from Lowe's. So basically all the power tools, we're going to be going over all the brands that they have or that they have on sale. The buy one get one free power tool. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more review videos. Alright, we're here at the Lowe's website. What you do is you click on the gift zone, shop all. So you click on that. And then you go down. You have several different items you guys could choose here. I'm just going to go over to the buy one get one free, or get one basically. You got build your own tool bag section on this side. I'm going to go to the buy one get one free. Alright, the first one that we have is the Dewalt. You got two 5 amp hour batteries. You can choose a sander, a circular saw, what is this, a jigsaw, reciprocating saw, looks like a speaker, Bluetooth speaker, a fan, right angle, and it says 12 more items. Same thing with these. However, where it changes is when you buy this. I'm going to go ahead and select this real quick here. So you select that, and then you can go here to the green section, and then basically you select the free tool that you want. You even do have a dual power charger there. 5 amp hour battery. You got max cutting rotary tool, a job site blower. Looks like impact driver with variable speed, maybe an 887 probably. Got a vacuum there, a fan, a jigsaw, and pretty much all we did see. A router, which is a great deal. Definitely the $199 deals or greater are the best bang for your buck, basically. As these cheaper tools are not really your best bang. You might want to go at least $169 or higher than that. But yeah, that router is definitely a good one, and that jigsaw $199 is definitely a good one too. So be sure to check them out if you need Dewalt. We're just going to click on this real quick. So you pay $249 for this one. And then you pick your free tool. I believe you have the same. Yep, the same free tools as the previous. Where it changes is on these. I believe these are different. Let's see here. On this one you pay $299. You get a drill driver. Doesn't look like a hammer drill, just a regular drill driver, and impact driver with doesn't even look like you're getting a 3-speed. It's not even the 887. Weird. You get two 2 amp hour batteries, a nice oscillating tool, multi-tool. These are great tools. Let's see here, $299. So yeah, basically the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. I thought it changed. For some reason it looked different on the picture. Oh. Well, you know, this angle grinder's not there. It's not. Yeah, that's why it changed. $279 for this one. It's a little pricey, but it does include an 8 amp hour battery, and I believe this is the power detect. Yep, this is the power detect with the little bit better fast charger there than your regular, and then a nice bag on the back and a big battery, which is an 8 amp hour battery. On this one, I believe you get to choose. You got the Dewalt 7 1/4 brushless, a 1/4 inch brushless cordless impact. Maybe this is the 887. I believe this is the 887. Should be. You got the XR variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw, and this is the nice one. This is the Dewalt XR brushless cordless angle grinder. I believe this one's power detect. The handheld planer is already sold out. You can choose from the speed impact wrench. I believe this is a 1/2 inch impact wrench. And then you can choose from hammer drill, a jigsaw, a router, a light. This is 5,000 lumen LED, so it's a really bright light, or an 8 amp hour battery. So that's on that. And on these, I believe you should be able to choose the same as those. So in all these here, I believe you got the power detect Um, Reciprocating saw, you got the circular saw. XR, you got the power detect angle grinder. And then you got the drill driver, impact driver. So let's see here. So $349 for that. $279 for that bare tool. I mean, not bare tool, but you know the kit. And $279 for that. So I guess these are $279 each. These tools by themselves. And then you get to choose your free tool, by the way. So, all right. So you got Craftsman. So this is the Craftsman deal. So this is mostly for the DIYs. I would recommend Dewalt for if you're a DIY, you want Dewalt, go ahead and go for it. You're gonna have a tool forever. If you're a professional, go for Dewalt. Dewalt's a good brand. If you're a DIY, I would definitely consider this brand. Might get some cheaper deals, like this battery, 4 amp hour battery and a free tool. You're only gonna be paying $99. Got a nice big battery there. The tools you can select are the reciprocating saw. These are not brushless tools. These are mostly brush tools. Got the angle grinder. You got the air inflator. I never seen this before. You got the air inflator, power source, battery, car, electric. I don't know what it says. You got the Craftsman variable speed jigsaw, orbital sander. You got multi-tool or oscillating. Job site blower. You got a nice 1825 lumen LED light. You got a 6.5-inch cord circular saw, a Bluetooth speaker, a fan, what is this, ratchet, a light. So you can choose from those for $99. Definitely check them out. I think where it starts getting better, it's on these two. So on this one you pay $149, so you're only paying $50 more. You're getting for $50 more. You're getting an extra tool. So you're getting what is this? A drill driver and a circular saw, and then you can choose your free tool. It's the same tools, by the way. I'm not gonna go over all of them. And then this one, it's $199, which is even better deal because you're getting a reciprocating saw, a bag, a light, a drill driver, impact driver, and a charger, and 2 batteries, and your free tool. So this is definitely a like a little better kit there. I would definitely choose that. But you know what? You got Kobalt, and then you got the XTR. XTR is top of the line of Kobalt. I would say it's either equal to Dewalt or greater than. Around there. I don't have experience with these tools, but I heard good things about these. All right, let's check this kit out. So it does include 2 4-amp-hour batteries. For $149, you get to choose, what is this, impact driver or impact wrench, my bad. Oscillating tool, multi-tool, orbital sander, jigsaw. What is this, aluminum, what is this, cordless circular saw. Speaker, a rotary tool, light, router, a multi battery charger, and circular saw. What is a 6.5 reciprocating saw and a belt sander. So you get to choose any of those for $149. It's definitely a great deal because you're getting 2 4-amp-hour batteries. Let's see this one out. This one's a really nice one because it's the Kobalt XTR. See, you're only spending $100 more, and you're getting quality like Dewalt like tools here. And plus you're getting 2 tools, a light, a big battery, which is a 4-amp-hour battery, and a 2-amp-hour battery, and a free tool. So you can choose from the same tools there. So $249 for that. You get more premium tools. If you want more basic tools, cheaper, this is $50 less, and you are getting a little bit more for your buck, as in tool-wise number. You got the reciprocating saw. You got drill driver, impact driver, a light. What is this? That's a charger, and same tool. So you get to choose one free tool. So you're getting a total of 4 tools and a light, basically, and 2 batteries. Actually, you're only getting 1 battery. That's crazy. So you're only warning about this one. You're only getting one battery, and this one you're getting two batteries and two batteries on this one. So just to let you guys know. All right, you got the Bosch. All right, the first one, you got 119, and you get to choose a free gift, which is a battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and a charger. So on this one, it's like if you're buying the tool by itself with the battery and the charger for 119. This one's 119, so same thing. And then this one's 199. So obviously, because it's a heavier duty rotary hammer. And then this one's even heavier duty, so actually it's not, it's 120, it's cheaper. So 129 for this one, which is not a bad deal. You're still getting that battery. Alright, you got a belt sander here, or belt sander, bandsaw, my bad. 149, and then you get that free tool, or that free battery charger. It looks like a vacuum. Is this a vacuum? Yeah, it's a vacuum for 139. Let's see here. What else they got? They got that angle grinder. It's a 4.5 18-volt sliding switch cordless angle grinder. 129. All right, we got Metabo HPT. There's a deal going on Metabo's website. If you go, I believe Metabo. If you want to search it on Google, just put Metabo HPT free battery promotion. I believe you get a free battery and a charger here. And if you go to Metabo's website, these do qualify for another free battery. So be sure to check it out. Shout out to Jeff Ostroff. He is the one that I got this from on one of his videos. So big shout out to him. And yeah, that's pretty much what you do on this. If you're already on the Metabo HPT line, I would definitely check it out. So on this one, you get, 36 volts, 7 1/4 brushless hybrid cordless circular saw with breaking aluminum alloy die casting shoes. So 179, you get a free, what is this, a 4 amp hour battery? Looks like a 4. Doesn't tell you. But you're getting a 36 volts battery charger and a tool or a battery there. So that's a great deal for 179. Plus, you're gonna, if you go to their website, you're gonna get another free battery. So I believe it's a free battery or one of those kits that you could, it's a battery adapter and it plugs into the power like a 110 outlet. So either you can get the battery, another battery, or that power 110 outlet thing. You got multi-tool brushless reciprocating saw. It is a hybrid. It says hybrid cordless and corded. Oh yeah, because it's compatible with that corded adapter that I was telling you guys. That's what it's saying. It's hybrid. You got additional savings, cyber steals, good gift zone. All right, looks like that's it for this section, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned. We're gonna have more deals. If anything pops up, if any crazy deals pop up, I will post as they pop up. Sometimes I've been posting in the middle of the night, sometimes in the middle of the day. Just whenever they pop up, I will be posting. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make them to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform. By subscribers, and something just fell here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.